Hi everyone, welcome to Programming School. In TCS NQT, some MCQs are based on infix to postfix expression and prefix expression like that. For that, I am going to explain here how I am going to convert infix into postfix using some algorithm. But the algorithm I am going to explain through an example here. Not I am not telling that only algorithm here. I am explaining the concept of algorithm through an example. Okay, just jump into the code. Yes, this is an example of this is the infix expression. I am going to convert into the postfix. There is some steps are there. I am not explaining all the steps here. I am going to explain all the steps with an example. Okay, this is an example, and I am going to take like this. This is an example, and I am going to, what is the first step here? Scan the infix expression from left to right. That means we have to start at here and we have to trace like this from left to right. I'm going to scan every character. I'm going to scan here. Here I'm going to use one stag, one empty stag, and this is the output. And this is the output. I'm going to, this is the postfix expression. Okay, output is the postfix expression. Now I am going to read a character from left to right. So what is the first character here? My first character is A. Okay, my first character is A. Then if it is a character, if it is an operand, right? This is an operand, and addition, divided by, and multiplication, these are operators. If the scanned character is, if the scanned character is operand, what we have to do? I'm going to here the algorithm. If the scanned character is operand, append to output, nothing else. We have to append it to the output, nothing else. That means if it is A, that is operand, then directly I am going to append that one into the output. That's it, nothing else. What is the next character? The next character is going to be plus symbol. If it is plus symbol, what we have to do? Again, I am moving into the algorithm here. If the scanned character is operand, no, if it is not an operand, I am moving into the second one. If the scanned character is operator, yes, it is a operator. What we have to do? We have to do any one of these two, A or B, any one of these two. What we have to do? If the operator, if the precedence of the scanned operator is greater than, not like that, what is the stag now? The stag is empty, right? The stag is empty now. Just directly I am going to here, or the stag is empty. Just I am going to consider this point only. The stag is empty. What I have to do? I have to push it into the stag. That's it. My stag is empty now. That's why I am going to push the operator into the stag. Push the operator into the stag, and here the top is going to be at this position. The top is at now 0th index, that is indicating the plus symbol. Okay, that's it, nothing else. Then what is the next character? The next character is going to be operand. If it is an operand, what do I have to do? Directly I am going to append it to the output. Then what is the next operator? What is the next character? That is going to be divided by. Again I am going into this one. If the precedence of the operator, scanned operator is divided by, is greater than the precedence of the operator in the top of the stack. In the top of the stack is the plus symbol, and the scanned operator is divided by. Divided by precedence is greater than plus, right? Then what I have to do? I have to push it. I have to push it into the stack. That's it. Why? Because divided by precedence is greater than addition. That's why we have to push into the stack here. Push into the stack, and the top is now locating at 1 index. Okay. Then what is the next character? The next character is going to be C. If it is a operand, then immediately I am going to append into the output. Then next, what is the next value? That is going to be multiplication. If it is a operator, what I have to do? I have to check the scanned operator. The scanned operator precedence is greater than the top of the top of this character, top of the operator. But here divided by and multiplication has both has same precedence. But that's why we cannot do this operation. Then I'm moving into here. Else pop all the operators from the stack which are greater than or equal to in the precedence than that of the scanned operator and append them to the output. For example, first of all, what I have to do, I am going to check is the multiplication is greater than divided by? No, not at all. Both are equal here. Both are equal. If both are equal, what I have to do means I have to delete this divided by and I have to append it to the output, and I am going to move the top position to the plus symbol. Now again I am going to check is now I am going to check that is star operator is greater than addition. Yes, right. Then I am going to insert that top value, that multiplication at the top here. Okay. Now what is the next operator? The next operator is open bracket. The next operator is open bracket. What is just look at here. If the scanned operator is open bracket, just push into the stack. That's it, nothing else. Just simply I am going to push into the stack. Here I am going to push into the stack and the top is going to be incremented. Now top is locating at index 2. Now what is the next one? The next one is D. It is an operand. Directly I am going to append into output string. Then it is going to be plus symbol. If it is a plus symbol, what I have to do? Again, just look at, if you encounter the parenthesis while popping, no, this one. Okay. If the precedence just here, the top, the stack's top is at open bracket. The stack's top is at open bracket, push it. If the scanned character is operator, what I am going to do? At the same time, stack's top is at open bracket. Then immediately the stack's top is at open bracket, right? I am going to push that one, and now top is going to be located at this position. Okay. Then what is the next character? The next character is going to be E. That is an operand. Then immediately I am going to add E and then star and then star. I am going to check that is the star is more precedence than addition, right? Then immediately I am going to add that star here. What is the next operator? What is the next character? The next character is going to be F, and F I am going to immediately add into the output string. Then subtraction. Then subtraction. Now I am going to check here. What is the precedence of subtraction is greater than multiplication? No, not at all. Then what we have to do? We have to delete this star operator and we have to append it to the string. That means it is going to be deleted here, and the top is now placing this addition. Now I am going to check is subtraction precedence is greater than addition? No, not at all. Then again we have to delete until we have to delete. Then I am going to delete this one, and now top is placing yet here. Now I am going to check that the stack's top is at open bracket, right? The stack's top is at open bracket. Then what we have to do? I have to do just plus subtraction is going to be added at top of the stack. That's it. Then after subtraction, then it is going to be Z. Then I am going to insert into the postfix expression. After that, multiplication. After that, I got some multiplication. Yes, multiplication is greater precedence than subtraction. Then I am going to insert into the stack, and the top is now at index 4. Then after that, that is going to be h is directly inserted into this expression. Then after that, I got some closed bracket. Just look at the fifth point. If the scanned character is a closed bracket, what we have to do? Pop the stack and append it to the output until open bracket is encountered, and discard both the parentheses. That means we have to pop all the elements, all the operators in between these open bracket and closed bracket. Just I am going to delete from the top. That means star minus, and we have to delete this open bracket also. And the top is going to be located now at star here. Then divided by. Then we got some divided by. Divided by precedence is greater than multiplication. No, both are equal. Then what I have to do? I have to delete multiplication symbol. I am going to delete multiplication symbol, and I am going to append into the output string, and I am going to add the top at here. Then I am going to check, is the divided by is greater precedence than addition? Yes. Then I am going to insert divided by here. Then finally, what is the last one? The last one is going to be I. Then I am going to insert immediately I into the output expression. That means I am going to reach the last character of the string here, this infix expression. Then what I have to do? Pop all the operators from the stack, and append them to the output. That's it, nothing else. There is some operators are left in the stack, then I have to delete all the operators, and I am going to append all the operators like this. And again, this top is at -1. This is the postfix expression of this infix expression. That's it. Just try to solve the examples. I am going to give some examples in the description here. Just try to solve it and post in the comment here. Okay, if you like the video, just share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.